Hello world, it's Siraj, and I built and deployed a mobile app in 10 minutes using Manus. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. Build your own mobile app and deploy it in 10 minutes. You can see the app running on my phone right now. It's called Build Sniper. It takes bills, receipts, you can take a photo of it, and it will then generate a refund message that it will send to the owner of the bill so that you get a refund. And I have it running on my phone. I have it running in the emulator here. I have it running on the cloud with Manus, and it's running all over the place. What does this look like? What does the architecture of Manus look like? Well, it uses what's called an orchestrator, and an orchestrator is one single AI whose sole job it is to decide which other AIs are doing which jobs. It orchestrates all the different instruments in the symphony of intelligence. So you can see here that it looks very similar to ChatGPT's interface. I can show you some fun apps I was building before. This is Tupac teaches machine learning. This is just an idea I've wanted for like 8 years, and it did it in a single prompt. I was like, generate a video of Tupac teaching a simple machine learning concept, have it be educational for absolute beginners, and go viral. And here's what it created.
Realize, realize, realize. Stay true to yourself, keep it real, and the future is yours for the taking. Peace.
And then it stitched together this other animation with it, and then you're going to see it again. It stitched all the videos together, editing in real time.
It's about how we connect ideas, how we build the future, see? The patterns are all there.
Really insane. It used Google's VO3 to generate the image. It used FFmpeg to edit the videos in Python. Great stuff. So that's just a simple example. But earlier, I built this Build Sniper app like I showed you, and it did it all really simply. It published it to the web. I could click publish and literally just publish to Google Play in one click, as well as download the APK for my personal use. I got it running on my emulator like I just showed you here. So it was super simple, but I want to do it again for you so you can see this time. So how are we going to do this? What we're going to do is we're going to define a new task, and we're going to set it to Manus 1.6 max, which is the agentic version. We're then going to connect our tools to Manus. What do we want to connect? Let's connect our browser so it's able to read our browser, search it, do everything that it needs for us. We will also connect a custom API. Let's connect OpenAI so it knows to use the OpenAI API. It will ask us for our API key, and it'll connect, successfully install the connector. So it's got OpenAI connected, it's got my browser connected. I'll also add a custom MCP, model context protocols. Great idea. And I'm going to import one by JSON here, and it is the handwriting optical character recognition one from Pulse MCP. And I found it on Pulse MCP right here. I will paste it in here. So now it knows to use that MCP for optical character recognition. And I think that's it. Now we can do this one-shot prompt. Now, rather than just prompting it directly into Manus, I'm going to build the prompt with ChatGPT. And I use Whisper to do voice to text. I hardly ever type anymore. Please give me the optimal prompt to one-shot build an app that lets me scan receipts and get refunds. Let's call it Bill Sniper. And for Manus, make it so optimal that it just works on the first try. Here we go. One shot prompt for system developer. You are a principal engineer and product architect who has built consumer fintech apps at scale. Plaid level reliability, Stripe level UX, TurboTax level compliance. Our goal is to ship a production ready MVP that actually works, not a demo. Okay, so let's just copy this entire thing right here. And that is a big one. Big, 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 big. It must never hallucinate. I like how it capitalizes never. These things do work when you talk like that. No impersonation, log everything, UX. I would never have thought about all these things. Never. And that's why you use AI to talk to the AI. And that's it. I will now copy this entire thing to Manus. It knows. Do this. And we have initialized the cloud Linux environment. And now the orchestrator agent, well, first the planning agent, right? You always want to plan first. It will create the list of tasks, and then the orchestrator will then spin off different sub agents, different AIs for different individual tasks. Now, as it does this, I want to talk a little bit about the utility of agents and why we need to be thinking about this in 2026. This is the year of agents. And It is also the year of the singularity, which means we all need to be amplifying our knowledge with AI. We should not be talking to single AIs. We should be learning how to communicate with multiple AIs at once. And in fact, the skill of 2026 is not how well can you use AI. It's going to be how well can you use multiple AIs at once to accomplish a task that a single AI could not. And so what that means is how well can you plan and high level think about this orchestration loop of I need an agent to do the design, I need an agent to do the back end, I need an agent to do the research, I need an agent to do the sales and marketing and the logo. And so, sometimes it can be too much, right? We subdivide tasks too much, and that can be an issue, and we can waste money doing that. And so, it's not fully solved yet what the optimal agentic pattern is, but this is the best time in history to be experimenting with these things. You should be constantly experimenting, talking to agents, building things every day. You have free plans for all these different services. You have no excuses. I need to see you building things. All right. So back to Manus. What it has done in this time is already designed a high level architecture of this app, and it is already creating files that it will then use to make all these tool calls that we talked about earlier. And in its repository set, it has a bunch of tools, and we gave it our own tools to use, our OpenAI API key, as well as a model context protocol server. So we're going to step back for a bit, let it do its thing, and come right back. And there it is. It took about 8 minutes to build this from that single prompt. You could see it right here. It looks even better, in fact, than the previous version that I built here. And this took one prompt. With one click, we can publish it to the Google Play Store, build for publish. And now you can see it's doing the build in progress. We can use this on our phone by clicking on this link. Anyone can use this app. It's available today. I can take a photo. It can get files from my local computer. I can choose from a gallery. This is amazing. This is the future of agents. This is the future of AI. And because this capability is available for everyone, I want you to go out there and use Manus and build something today, right now, after this video, hopefully, and share it with me in the comment section. What you want to build, what you built, not what you want to build, what you built. Share it with me in the comment section. And also, one last thing I want to say before ending this video is that this is the year of AGI. It is happening. And so I'm really excited about the potential here. And I hope all of you start building with AI. So until next time, thanks for watching.